Hello everyone. First of all, I'd like to welcome BTech first year students to the Department of Computer Science and Engineering here in SMIT. A curriculum in engineering focuses a lot on the practical aspects of the subject matter. Students have to carry out experimental work in various labs during their tenure as students here in SMIT. In SMIT, a BTech first year student has to complete a lab known as Computer Programming Laboratory. This lab focuses on introducing the student with the basic concepts of programming.
Welcome to the Basic Programming Lab under the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in SMIT. In this lab, the students of BTech first year start with their journey with computer programming.
In this lab, all our machines are equipped with Ubuntu operating system, which is a free and open source software. We teach our students the popular C language with the purpose of giving them exposure to the basic programming skills.
Now, as the student reaches higher semester, the student has to carry out several other labs under the department. Some of the labs are Data Structures Lab, C++ Lab, Database Management System Lab, Operating System Lab, Algorithm Lab, Computer Network Lab, Compiler Design Lab, Intelligent System Lab, and so on.
Welcome to Advanced Programming Lab. In this lab, higher semester subjects such as C++ Lab, Database Management Systems Lab, Computer Network Lab, Parallel Programming Lab are conducted. In this lab, we have 70 plus configured systems which are connected to a very powerful server where students' work is stored and later evaluated by faculty members. The department promotes the usage of free and open source softwares, and the default operating system used in the lab is Ubuntu operating system.
Welcome to Multi-Programming Lab. In this lab, the higher semester subjects such as Algorithm Lab, Scripting Language Lab, Java Programming Lab, etc. are taught. Here in this lab, we have licensed version of the Windows operating system installed. The reason for this is that we run software such as AngularJS, we run Express.js, Node.js in the Windows operating system.